Today we are in the most famous night market of Kuala Lumpur, Jalan Alor.
West Virginia, among the mountains, take me home down country road. Take me home down country road. I'm hopeless now. I climb every mountain, swim every ocean, just to be with you. Fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you. And you are the reason.
Hello,
Yes, hi.
what is your name?
My name is Jaswinder.
Okay.
Yes, I'm from Malaysia.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, what would you suggest to try in this night market?
Okay, I would recommend to try the local food like the grilled fish, chicken wings. If your budget is good, big budget, then you go for a black pepper crab. But you must eat the fried kotiao and KL Hokkien mee. That's a trademark, famous in KL.
Okay.
Yes, so that is very good food, and the prices are reasonable. Yeah, it's quite good, well cooked and tasty.
Oh,
Yeah, I would
nice.
recommend. Yes,
What would you recommend for drinks?
drinks, tiger beer. No, drinks could be. Yeah, you can have from here the stalls. There's some juices there,
Yeah.
fruits. The drinks can be anything. It's quite standard. There are a lot of
Okay.
Coke and yeah.
In this night market, you can also notice handmade masterpiece. Just look at this. Oh my goodness, look at this dragon. How much work was done for this masterpiece. Oh, that's really incredible. And I guess I would like to buy something here as a souvenir from Malaysia. Okay, hello. How much this one? 10? 10, yeah? Okay, 10. Look at this, Malaysia. And also, look at this nice girl. This one is 5, yeah? Oh, awesome. Okay, maybe I would like to buy Malaysia. Okay.
You can do your name also.
Oh, I can write my name? Ah, you can do it. 2 ringgit?
2 minutes.
Oh, 2 minutes. How much it will be? 10 will be, yeah? Oh, okay. Maybe I would leave only Malaysia because this is nice memory from Malaysia. Thank you.
Where are you from?
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan.
Yeah.
Thank you for your support.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's walk. Goodbye. Smoothie, yeah? Okay. Hi. How much is smoothie? Smoothie is 5? Smoothie. Ah. Ice blended. It's 8, yeah?
Mango blended.
Okay. Maybe mango, yeah. Mango?
Mango blended.
2 mango blended. Oh, my lovely smoothies. But here in Malaysia, they call it in different way. They call it ice blended. Let's look. This fish. What is the difference? Size? Big, small? Ah, this one is small, 35. Okay, by size. Which fish is good? Which fish is good?
Valley little English.
Maybe you can suggest something. Yeah, we're looking for nice food.
You're looking for nice food. What food you like? You like seafood, meat, vegetarian food?
Let's try seafood.
Seafood,
Yeah.
spicy or not spicy
Not
food?
spicy, please.
Not spicy food, you can try something very Malaysian, grilled fish here.
Oh.
Grilled chicken fish, grilled stingray, very nice.
Okay.
Can be no spicy, half spicy or even all spicy here.
Okay, what we can add for fish? Maybe you have rice,
Okay,
noodles.
normally people they go for fish, they will go for something like rice. That's good.
Okay.
If you want rice, we got Chinese fried rice. Chinese fried rice here,
Okay.
Malaysian fried rice here is good.
12, yeah?
12 ringgit. This is a small portion, good for one person normally.
These are shrimp?
This is Hokkien mee, some thick egg noodle. You wok fried thick egg noodle with black sauce and seafood inside.
Okay.
Can be without shrimp as well. It's optional. Some people they like with seafood, they like meat or vegetarian. This all can be with it.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. So other than the fish, you can have something like prawns.
Oh,
The
so
butter
many
prawns
options.
here very nice. Yeah. Butter
Okay.
prawns very nice. Black pepper crabs very good here. Yeah.
This one is expensive?
Not expensive.
How much?
We got sizes like small, medium, big, extra big.
Okay, let's
Everything got
small
price
one.
here. Yeah. For example, like this. Yeah. Okay. There's small, medium, big, extra big. Small size, two pieces in total. Just only 108 for
Wow,
two.
108.
For
Okay.
2 pieces. There's live crab,
Okay.
not the dead one. Live fresh one. Yeah. It's very
Ah,
nice.
so
yeah?
you cook it on our eyes, yeah? That we see that you are cooking?
Yeah. You
Ah.
can see the aquarium there.
Ah, you take from
Yeah.
that.
Something here, see, like fish, crab here, all is live here.
Oh, nice.
But big fish like chicken fish or stingray, that's not live.
Oh, that, yeah?
Impossible, we can't. It's very dangerous fish. That's from big sea.
Okay.
Yeah, it's something small fish like this, red tilapia, that's in the aquarium.
Okay, nice. So let's look at Thai food. Also, so many options and with seasonings and additives. But unfortunately, I don't see any price here. That makes it a little difficult to choose. I don't know how much all of these cost. I see only these things. So here is Chinese restaurant. Chinese, yeah? What do you have with seafood? Oh yeah, here, yeah? Okay, 80, 68. Ah, yeah, types. It looks a little expensive. Oh. How much this prawn?
182.
182. Ah, 102.
182.
These are oily shrimp.
This one have.
Ah, only this.
Okay.
Tiger shrimp. Okay, how much?
This one 82.
82.
Okay.
How many piece? Oh, this piece, yeah, all of this.
Many.
Oh, many. Okay. This is cancer or crab?
Yes.
Crab. Okay.
88.
88.
Yes.
Big size?
Yes. This one.
Ah, for one person. Only one piece, yeah?
Yes.
Ah, only one piece. Ладно. Barbecue,
Yes.
12 barbecue. It's one only piece, yeah? 12.
Yes.
Hi. This is what?
Inside peanut, outside sticky rice.
Inside is what?
Peanut.
Peanuts. Ah, sticky rice, yeah? It's sweet.
Peanut, little bit sugar.
One piece is how much?
One box.
Ah, one box.
10 ringgit.
10 ringgit?
Yeah.
Oh, 10 ringgit. Okay. Let's try. We haven't tried this one. Can I try one right now? I would like to try. So guys, for you now, I'm going to try homemade peanut mochi. Something very unusual for me. First time to try. Thank you. Wow, look at them. They look so cute. Okay, let's try from the pink one. Fast forward. It is not so sweet. How to say? Like stubble taste. But inside this crunchy nuts, like peanut is very amazing. This one's supposed to be very healthy. I like it so much. Street food check. So, guys, look at this. A lot of dish just in front of me. This is fried noodles. Wow. This plate is really huge. I have never met for 10 ringgit this much huge one. And this is fish, just only half, but even though it's also big. And just look at this small bowl of soup. My hands and this bowl. Okay, let's try. By the way, in Malaysia, they really love to use black soy sauce. That's why they usually eat this kind of black noodles. Really nice taste. I guess this one reminds me Thailand noodles. Amazing. Okay, let's leave this to share with Denise. Next one is this bowl. Wow. I asked to add a little noodles, but no, here is not little, a lot of noodle inside. Let me try first soup. I guess they add gender inside. Wow, it tastes really healthy. I need fork. With fork is even better, comfortable for me. Oh, this one is, I guess, mushroom. This soup is really fresh. I'm quite amazed how it was cooked. Look at this octopus. Very tiny octopus. Amazing. I love it so much. So many different kinds of seafood inside. Look at the shell, mushrooms, even little piece of corn, prawn, some vegetables. What is also? Yeah. Okay. Next part is fish. This fish is dangerous fish, as someone told me. It's very difficult to, like, how to say it, to fish this one. This sauce? Okay, let's first add this lemon. Okay. And this red sauce. This one's supposed to be very spicy, so that's why I would like to add a little of this sauce. Very tender meat, it really melts in my mouth. Wow, just look at how it was cooked. By the way, this one is barbecue because they cook different kind of fish. They cook it like fried, barbecue, and boiled. Yeah, so that's why I only choose this one. Amazing. I just want to remind you the name of this restaurant. It's Grand Sky Restaurant. Yeah, you have to come here and to try this kind of food because the servants, they are like staff, they are very friendly and they can suggest you very nice one. So let me tell you the price that we are going to pay for all of this. This noodles is 10 ringgit. This fish is 35. For this bowl of soup, I guess I'm going to pay 25 ringgit, like around 25. And also this smoothie, mango smoothie, which is cost 8 ringgit. Have a nice meal.